2. Look, OLL consists of 2 steps, first solving the yellow cross, and then solving the corners. 2. Look, OLL is very easy to learn. It has only few algorithms compared to 57 full OLL algorithms. So let's begin. So first step in, look, OLL is to solve the yellow cross. There are only 3 cases of this, so it will be easy to learn. If you have a dot case, do this algorithm. If you have a L-shaped case, so you do this. If you have a line case, so do this. And the second step is to memorize few algorithms that are very easy. Here we go. If you want to buy cubes, cube mats, timers, or any other cubing accessories, go visit cubos.com and use discount code CBN for
huge discount.
All the algorithms you learned in this video are part of the full OLL cases, so anything you learned today will be useful in the future as well. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.